So I finally got rid of the noise. It was the primary, all right. This right here, this little, it's like a straight hot push button start. Goes on the end of your starter's aftermarket piece plunger deal. But this damn thing was sticking in because I started it and it stuck in, so I pulled that out, and I still couldn't get the bike off. It took me a few minutes, so I took that apart, took it off, put the stock cover back on the solenoid, and checked my fluids, gave it some gas, and I also adjusted my primary chain. And man, it is it's quiet over there. Real quiet. You don't hear nothing. You hear nothing coming from the primary motor. Everything's so quiet. So in sync. Come over yesterday, helped me finish putting this switch housing on over here. I got to finish adjusting this clutch, but that's all we really had time to do. But man, a lot closer. I can't believe I figured out that sound on my own. I took the whole primary apart this morning and without starting it, and just took a peek in there, made sure everything was okay. And I did tighten the chain, was a little bit sloppy, so I tightened it up a little bit